Are you getting the error message, the last backup could not be completed because of poor network conditions from iCloud on your iPhone? Don't worry. Follow these easy and advanced guidelines to fix the iCloud backup error. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check and fix the internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. And if it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it back off. Or you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Enable background on mobile data. Tap Settings, tap on Apple ID, tap iCloud, tap Backup. Make sure to enable the Backup over cellular data option if you are getting the error using mobile data. Solution 3. Log out and log in Apple ID. Open Settings, tap on Apple ID, scroll down, tap Sign Out, and sign out your iCloud account. After that, log into your account again. Solution 4. Reset the network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset network settings. Tap Reset network settings again. After that, you have to reset your network and then check your issue. Hope one of these processes will fix the backup could not be completed error on iCloud. Now, if you still have any problems, please let me know in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.